That's not a word. What are you, a dictionary?
Girls! Now this is a really interesting statue. What do you notice about it?
It's got an eagle claw. And a lion paw. And a snake tail.
This creature is called a Draconequus. He is the head of a pony and a body made up of all sorts of things. What do you suppose that represents?
Confusion, evil, chaos. It's not chaos, you dodo. Don't call me things I don't know the meaning of. And it is too chaos. It's not. You're both wrong.
Actually, in a way, you're all right. This statue represents discord, which means a lack of harmony between ponies. In fact, you three have demonstrated discord so well that you're each going to write me an essay explaining it. Now let's go. And I don't want any more fighting.
It's confusion, evil, chaos.
Well, hello YouTube, it is I, Darth Vigorous, and today I'll be showing you how to make your voice sound just like the Lord of Chaos himself, Discord from My Little Pony. Who was voiced by Jonathan D. Lancey, who also voiced the character Q from the TV series Star Trek Next Generation.
Oh, you ponies are just the most fun I've had in eons.
Well, quit it! You better think before you laugh at the pig! Eat pie! Oh, yeah? Well, ha ha! Quit it! No! Ha ha! Quit it! No! Ha 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 ha!
Rarity, this here diamond of yours? Twilight said we should split it 6 ways since we, found it together.
Hi-ya! Try it, punk! He's mine! All mine! Yeah, yeah. Girls, why are you all acting like this? We need to stick together!
It's just too entertaining.
Stop it, Discord. You're not playing fair.
I'm not playing fair? Perhaps we haven't met. I'm Discord, spirit of chaos and disharmony. Hello?
How are we supposed to find the elements of harmony when you took away the labyrinth before we could get to the end?
Oh, wait, did you? How funny. You thought the elements were in the labyrinth? Twists and turns are my master plan. Then find the elements back where you began. I never said they were in the labyrinth.
But...
Keep trying, Twilight Sparkle. Maybe the magic of friendship can help you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some chaos to wreak.
Okay, once you're in Audacity, you'll want to make your voice sound as close to Discord as possible. So, here we go. Making sense. Now what fun is there in ever making sense? Keep guessing, Twilight Sparkle. Maybe the magic of friendship can help you. Now if you'll excuse me, I have some chaos to wreak. Alright then, first, wow, I don't see much anything for noise reduction, so, let's just do a noise reduction thing just in case. Wow. First time recorded, no need for noise reduction, I don't think. So noise reduction. Cut off these little ends. Now, this next part is optional, but I always do to make my recording sound clearer. Go to compressor, have at these settings, threshold at -17 decibels, Noise floor at -45 decibels, ratio at 2:1, attack time at 0.2 seconds, release time at 1 second. Click yes for makeup gain, click OK, go to effect, go to equalization, go to unnamed here, click OK, then go to effect, equalization. Now go to bass boost, click OK, effect, equalization, treble boost, click OK, and finally go to effect, normalize. Now let's see how it sounds.
Making sense. Now what fun is there in ever?
There, now you can see it sounds way more clearer. So now, here's where we get into the effect. So for me, first we go to change pitch. Then for me, I lower mine by sync for now. I started doing the voice, so I'm still practicing it. But right now, let's change it to -4. Click OK. Go to effect. Go to bass and treble. Have the bass at -5.5, treble at -11.3, level at -1, enable level control, click OK. Now finally go to effect, change speed, have percent change at 4, click OK. Now let's see how it sounds.
Making sense. Now what fun is there in ever making sense? Keep guessing, Twilight Sparkle. Maybe the magic of friendship can help you. Now if you'll excuse me, I have some chaos to wreak.
And that is how you sound like Discord from My Little Pony. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. I am Darth Vigorous, and please like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy the rest of your day.